Recall fascial distortion model by this TV show, in which our fascial fashion model gets distorted after some hefty criticism of her fashion. It is an anatomical approach to somatic complaints, shown as the sumo tick complaining. The model focuses on 6 different pathological alterations to the fascial network, or the connective tissue that surrounds muscles, joints, tendons, ligaments, and organs of the body. To remember these 6 distortions, think of the mnemonic, "Tired children hate folding clothes tonight." The first letter of each word will help you recall trigger bands, cylindrical distortions, herniated trigger points, folding distortions, continuum distortions, and tectonic fixations. Trigger bands, seen here as the trigger on the band, are the most common distortions and are identified by the wrinkling pattern of the linear fascia, secondary to tugging and pulling along the tissue path. These distortions can result from repetitive injuries such as plantar fasciitis. Cylindrical distortions, represented as the cylinder, are located in non-jointed areas and result from simultaneous twisting and rotational forces over loops of fascia. These distortions develop wacky symptoms like tingling, numbness, and migratory non-localized pain that is constantly changing locations, such as that seen post-surgically. Herniated trigger points, the hermit crab with the trigger point, are from breakout tissue that ruptures through the fascial plane, resulting in deep, achy pain that a patient will push on to alleviate their symptoms. A folding distortion, the folded clothes, is similar to a crumpled car road map. It is a result of fascia constantly being incorrectly pulled and pushed over their original structure. Continuum distortions, seen here as the continuum circle, are located at the transitional point between a bone and the nearby fascia, ligaments, and tendons. Patients typically report sharp pinpoint pain that they only point to but do not push upon, such as that seen in an ankle sprain. Lastly, tectonic fixations are due to the inability of the fascia to glide over one another, resulting in a decreased range of motion. These fixations are portrayed as the tectonic plates in the scene. Patients typically describe this as joint stiffness. Identifying these distortions and treating the surrounding fascia is the key to understanding the fascial distortion model. So, let's quickly summarize. The fascial distortion model is an anatomical approach to somatic complaints by the patient. It consists of 6 distortions that can be remembered by the mnemonic, "Tired children hate folding clothes tonight." The T stands for trigger bands, the C stands for cylindrical distortions, the H stands for herniated trigger points, the F stands for folding distortions, the second C stands for continuum distortions, and finally, the second T stands for tectonic fixations.
On this episode of Fascial Fashion Runway, one model gets all distorted after getting harsh criticism and complaints from our sumo tick judge. But before we get into that, let's check in with the tired children folding clothes in the back. We hate it here! Oh, looks like tired children hate folding clothes tonight. Now let's see how the judging is going.
I mean, where do I start? You basically took a checklist of everything that looks awful and ticked all the boxes. What is that? A trigger band? It should be trigger banned from this competition.
For the rest of the story, check out Picmonic.com and sign up for a free account. There, you can also take Picmonic's quiz. The quiz automatically sets up your daily quiz by using spaced repetition algorithms based on the questions you've missed or struggled with to make sure you study what you need when you need to.
And while you're there, check out the rest of our treatment modalities Picmonics. We've got all the content you'll need to remember. Everything from muscle energy, counterstrain overview, high velocity, low amplitude thrust, or HVLA, myofascial release and soft tissue, Zinc's common compensatory pattern, and so much more. So you can lock down on everything you need to know forever.
Play, quiz, and spaced repetition. Efficient, effective, and research proven to increase exam scores.